Hey everyone, welcome back to today's best deals today. We're excited to review the Mova S20 Ultra robot vacuum and mop combo, a cutting-edge cleaning solution that's designed to make your life easier. Meet the Mova S20 Ultra, featuring 8,300 Pascal suction, dual roller brush, and 140 degrees Fahrenheit hot water mop self-washing and drying. This robot vacuum and mop is engineered to deliver ultimate cleaning performance. The S20 Ultra boasts a self-emptying base and self-refilling water tank, making it perfect for large homes or busy households. The 3.2L dust bag and 4.5L/4L water tanks cover up to 4,300 square feet. This robot vacuum features 360 degrees object recognition and avoidance, detecting and circumventing 70-plus objects, and constructing detailed 4-level 3D maps for optimized navigation. The smart dirt detection system prompts remopping as needed for spotless floors. The S20 Ultra comes with a voice and app control, allowing you to set cleaning frequency, schedule sessions, create virtual walls, and more. It's compatible with Alexa and Google Home, making it easy to integrate into your smart home. With its advanced features and powerful suction, the Mova S20 Ultra is a must-have for anyone who wants to experience the future of cleaning. Order now and start enjoying the convenience of automated cleaning. Thanks for watching Channel Name. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and tech content. Get yours now and start enjoying the convenience of automated cleaning. The Mova S20 Ultra is available now. Say goodbye to manual vacuuming and mopping, and hello to a cleaner, healthier home with the Mova S20 Ultra.